With all the commotion that's going on in the world, where does that leave you? Where is your heart centered at? Where is your mind placed on? How do you feel? What's going on around you is what's going on inside of you. If all of the things that are happening in this world don't bother you per se, then you know that your inside is not bothered. You are at peace. If you can see all of this chaos around you and still have peace, then there's a transformation that your body is going through, that your mind is going through, and you need to honor that. You need to be gentle with yourself. You need to have full understanding that there is a universal shift that's taking place, and everybody's affected, whether it's your finances being affected, your relationships, your health, whatever it is that you were called and purposed to do. That's what's being challenged at this time. And if you're not facing any challenges, then you've probably already gone through this shift. But I want to absolutely motivate you and inspire you to keep going, because you are on the path of a breakthrough that is going to definitely break generational curses. Keep going.